Some women are not able to cry because they are emotionally so cold. And sometimes they have been simply so much emotionally tired for so long. And eventually the mind and body stop expressing that emotions in the same way. A woman may still feel pain inside, but emotionally become numb, disconnected, and exhausted. If you have ever thought that I want to cry, but I can't anymore, then please know that you are not alone. Let's join this community of Heal and Rise with Anita for your safe emotional healing and inner strength. Today we are going to talk about something many emotionally exhausted women experiences silently, and that is emotional numbness. The feeling of becoming emotionally disconnected and after carrying emotional stress, pain, pressure, emotional suppressions for so long. And if this is something you have experienced, I want to you I want to know you that your nervous system may simply be tired, not broken. Many women believe emotionally healing always look like crying, but emotional exhaustion can also look like emotional numbness, feeling disconnected, feeling emotionally flat, not reacting emotionally anymore, struggling to express their own feelings, and feeling tired emotionally all the time. Sometimes women become so emotionally tired that nervous systems slow down and the emotions get completely shut down. Not because they don't care, but because the mind and body have now been trying to go into the survival emotional stress for long time. And over the time, the body begins protecting itself emotionally by becoming quiet inside. Imagine a woman who spends so many years being so strong, suppressing her emotions, avoiding conflicts, carrying family stress emotionally, supporting others, pretending she is okay. At first, she cried often. She felt everything deeply. But after carrying emotional pain for so long time, she stopped expressing emotions completely, not because the pain disappeared, but because her nervous system became emotionally exhausted. Many women silently experience this emotional numbness or emotional shutdown without disturbing, without understanding what is happening inside them. And sometimes that emotional numbness can feel even more painful than crying. The nervous system is designed to protect us. When emotional stress becomes so tired for so long period of time, the body sometimes responds by emotionally disconnecting. This happens after a very chronic stress, emotional neglects, and toxic relationship. Most constant emotional pressure burn out the emotional suppressions. So if you cannot cry lately, please don't judge yourself so harshly. Your body may simply be trying to emotionally protect you, not harming you. Your body may simply be saying, I'm there always with you. And this healing begins when we slowly create this emotional safety again. Not force, not pressure, only safety. So today, instead of forcing yourself, feel something within yourself and ask gently to yourself, what emotions have I been suppressing for so long period of time? What emotional pressure have I been carrying so silently? And what part of me feels emotionally tired? Take a while, think on these questions, have a thought to this, and answer yourself within. If you have been emotionally numb so lately, please remember this. Your emotions are not gone forever. Your heart is not broken beyond healing. Your nervous system may simply be exhausted. And slowly, this emotional safety, rest, healing conversation, self compassion, and most important, nervous system support It is possible to reconnect with your emotions again, a one gentle step at a time. So, are you ready to take this a gentle step with a community of Heal and Rise with Anita? If this video resonated with you, please subscribe Heal and Rise with Anita for gentle emotional healing, nervous system support, and healing conversations for women. And if you feel comfortable, comment me below. Have you ever experienced emotional numbness? And remember, you are not alone. Most important, and don't forget to connect. Our next meditation for emotional release. Thank you and have a great day.